Hey everybody, the Chef Castro here. I am going to kind of sample out the Char Siu chicken that I'll be selling on Friday. Note, if you haven't put your pre-order in, put it in now. So we'll walk through step by step. So here I got a pack of chicken thighs, bone in, how I always do. Deboned them, kind of trimmed them up a little bit. So I have, you can either get dark soy sauce or sweet soy sauce, either or, same thing. So sweet soy sauce, light soy sauce, we got honey, cooking wine, Chinese 5-spice, granulated garlic, ginger, white pepper, and brown sugar. Okay, so after you add all the ingredients, this is optional, up to you. I'm going to add about maybe 2 or 3 dots, maybe 4, of red food dye. This is how you get that golden red color. So I will mix the ingredients and I'll be right back. Okay, now that you guys got the ingredients mixed, we're gonna go ahead and add it to the chicken. And mix in well. You want to make sure to get all the marinade mixed into all the ingredients. Make sure everything is marinated in there nice and tight. Okay. Then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a plastic bag, let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours. All right, you guys, this has been marinating for long enough. I'm gonna go ahead and just get a good sear on there, and then I'm gonna toss it in the oven. So make sure your pan is nice and hot. Now, most people will put skin side down. Me trimming it up, I'm gonna put meat side down first. So then that way the meat can adjust to the skin. All right, and you guys, after I seared it, I went ahead and threw it in the oven. On Friday, I'll actually be grilling it. And I'll have other food coloring too, so it'll change that, as well as flavor profile too as well. I'll be changing a few things there. But this is just the gist of it right here. So I had to cut up some small pieces for my little helper here. She said she wanted some, so. All right, guys. Any questions, just hit me up, let me know. Like and subscribe.